Day one of Sergeant Strategic Retreat, and we're just going to go around the room a quick and see what everybody learned.
Okay, first day, I've learned a number of things. Rebuild was one of them, and especially in the Denver location, especially how the labor market is and what's reasonable to pay labor, and also we learned billing. So,
some billing tips, good.
Yep.
All right, James.
Well, I was really interested on possibly getting into the construction end of it, so I learned kind of how you go about looking at getting your personnel set up and your subs and all that.
Sweet.
I learned that there's a lot of things that we need to be billing for that we're not, and also that we need to start our rebuild process earlier in our mitigation. We need to plan it a lot sooner.
Nice, Chad.
I learned really the importance of heat to the drying aspect and what that can bring to my business. The detailed daily notes, having my techs do that every day is also vital to my business.
Sweet. All right, Chris.
Documentation, daily notes, having the ability for anybody else to be able to come back in and pick up where somebody else left off, and holding people accountable to keep the notes. And if you don't hold up your end of the bargain, I'm not going to give you more hours. So we can finish one task before we move on to the next. And having checklists and systems in place, you know, I would call it two-heading it to make sure you're not missing items on your estimates.
Yeah, that accountability is huge with your employees. All right, Donald.
I'd reiterate daily notes, or being on the job, being able to have other people know what's going on with something really critical, and then having details matter.
The small details add up, huh? All right, Shane.
All right, so golden nugget for me was with the agents, on how to capture agents that were already working for the homeowner, we're already taking care of them, going in and talking to their agent during that process and filling the agent in of what's going on with their customer. That was a good golden nugget. Another thing is speeding up my process of when I'm drawing the house and getting the rebuild started. So that was my two major takeaways for the day that I needed the most.
Shanna, she put up with all of us here herself.
Just got a phone call.
Sweet. Lance, you're up. Oh, that's how that works. Did you dial her?
Oh yeah, no,
You dialed her.
So another, I
I learned
think,
that Shannon's gonna run.
yeah, Shannon just ran off. So
You get another one.
yeah, so I get another one. Holding our Xactimate accountable, right? With the first exercise we did today, we're losing. We're leaving about 12 to 15% on the table. That was a big part for us to take away. I mean, because I can add jobs all day long, but if I'm leaving 15% on the table, I mean
Most of that's profit, huh?
that's all straight profit. I'm already doing it. So.
All right, Lance.
My thing of the day is just basically the uniqueness of everybody. That everybody brings something different to the table, and it was cool to get to talk to everybody about everything that they bring. Just little tweaks that you can bring to different jobs that you can learn from everybody individually, different owners from different perspectives. The agent thing that you talked about. Shane said too. I mean, that was crazy. I don't know why we haven't talked about that. We didn't talk about why we didn't talk about that yet. So.
I went through the same list with you as them.
Okay.
Look on your sheet just so everybody can see.
What?
This is your sheet that's been hanging there for 3 months. Agent phone number, agent email.
I know, but just how you spelled it out in the simple elementary drawing that we got going here, go there and go talk to them.
Yeah,
That's the part that this doesn't say that. It's not it on the elementary drawing. It said the arrow when I
The beam went up, huh?
Every opportunity you get to market yourself, they take advantage.
You got to market it.
Every opportunity you have to find a way to get to another job and another job, you're already in there, you gotta capitalize.
Okay, now John over here snuck in, so I didn't forget you, John. Okay, John, what'd you get off of day one?
Gosh, I got a lot. One thing I thought about or got from it is that I could think more about getting the deductible up front, helping with my cash flow issues. And also thinking about getting just deposits, more in the way of deposits, especially on the bigger jobs,
Absolutely.
if I can. Also, what was this other thing? Just the ways to increase the bills. You know, just thought a lot about the different ways to get the bills up there, like using blocks, the infrared camera, lots of little things.
Contents, health and safety items, right? Well, thanks, guys. I just wanted to put it on here. This is the end of day one. We're going to go out to dinner. Is everybody going to come back tomorrow?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys.